Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to change the theme in Signal. Now let us begin. To note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not done that, we'll do it right now. The process is quite easy. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to settings. At the top right, you can see the profile picture right there. Click on this button right now. Once you guys click on it, you will be redirected to the settings page. Well, as you guys can see that there are lots of options. But right now, all you guys need to do is focus on this button called as Appearance. It is just a web chat. Click on it. And that is it, guys. From here, as you guys can see, you can change the language, theme, chat colors and everything. Right now, we just want to change the theme. So I'm gonna click on this theme button right here. And guys, this is it. You can switch between light mode and dark mode. Select whatever you wish. And guys, that is it. That's how we change the theme in Signal. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.